Hello everyone, this is Teacher Renz, and now we're going to discuss solving quadratic equations by square root property. Say for example, we have here the square of the binomial x plus 4 equals 49. We cannot take right away the value of x since the binomial x and 4 is enclosed with a parenthesis and is being squared. So we have to eliminate the square sign so that we can get x and 4 out of the parentheses. And we can only do that by first taking the square root of both sides of the equation. And the square root of a squared number is the number itself. So just write x plus 4. And the square root of 49 is positive and negative 7. It means that we have two values on the right side of our equation, and that is positive 7 and negative 7. So we can rewrite our equation as follows. That is x plus 4 equals, taking the positive 7, and we have x plus 4 taking the negative 7. Then, by solving linear equations in one variable, we can now get the value of x by adding both sides, by subtracting both sides of the equation by 4, or by simply transposing 4 to the right side of the equation, making 4 becomes negative. So the value of x now is equal to 7 minus 4, and that is 3. So that's one of the values of our x. Next, we have x equals negative 7, and by transposing positive 4 to the other side of the equation, it will become negative 4. Now we have the value of x is equal to negative 7 minus 4. It is negative 11. So the two values of our x that will satisfy our equation are x equals 3 and x equals 11. Let's try to check if it will really satisfy our equation. We have the given x plus 4, or the square of the binomial x plus 4 equals 49. By substituting x equals 3, then just copy plus 4 squared equals 49. By PEMDAS rule, we have to solve first what's inside the parentheses. So 3 plus 4, that is 7, squared equals 49. And we know that 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is equal to 49, making both sides of the equation equal. Therefore, at x equals 3 satisfies the equation. Next, if x is equal to negative 11. So, if x is negative 11 plus 4 squared equals 49. PEMDAS rule, solve it what's inside the parentheses first. Negative 11 plus 4 is negative 7. Then just take its square. And we know that the square of a negative number is a positive. And 7 times 7 is equal to 49, making both sides of the equation equal. Hence, at x equals 11, it satisfies our equation. So the two values of our x that will satisfy the equation are x equals 3 and x equals negative 11. Problem solved.